MPC expansion builder and kit maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own expansions. So first we're going to open up our Finder window. This is on the Mac. We're going to go to Mac HD. We're going to click Users. We're going to go to Shared. Then we're going to click Rhythm Source. We're going to find our Native Instruments libraries and install them. They might be in some place different for you. Now you can see there's a button that says Machine or Sample Pack. We're going to make sure it's highlighted on Machine. We're going to click Classic. We're going to choose Akai MPC, and then we're going to hit Make Kit. What it's going to do is make a kit on your desktop, and inside of that folder, that's where you'll have your kit maker kit. But that kit doesn't come with all the sounds, and it comes with the sounds, the previews, but there's some things you're going to have to do. So some of you guys probably didn't install the MPC expansion builder. So what you need to do is go to your profile, log in, click see registration details, scroll down to where it says software downloads, click desktop software, scroll down to the one that works for you, whether it's Mac or PC. I'm on a Mac. When you open it, you're going to click your MPC. You're going to click reinstall MPC software. You're going to click the little red arrow right here. It's going to say reinstall. You click reinstall. You walk through, you say yes, hit all of that, and then you'll see the MPC expansion builder box. Boom. We're going to click that. We're going to hit continue. Now it's going to install. Now I have my expansion builder open. It looks real simple. I'm going to go to my kit maker kits. I'm going to open up my kit maker kit. I'm going to drag my first kit and just drag it. Boom. Now it's there. Once I drag it and drop it, I'm going to go find the artwork, Google the artwork, get it, download it, save it to my hard drive, and then I'm going to drag and drop it right over. Boom, now we have the artwork. Now we're going to name the identifier. You can name it what you like, but now let's do the bump and flavor kit. All right, so we drop that over. We're going to rename it at the top. Let's name it, I don't know. Let's just follow the name and put O.T.G. I'm going to put O.T.G. backyard or bump and flavor dot bump and flavor. It has to be in that kind of format. If you read the paragraph, it'll tell you how to do it. We're going to title it. We're going to say the manufacturer is Native Instruments. We're going to say this is version 1.0. And then this is all the information that'll be stored in our kit. Now I'm going to go over here to Google. I'm going to type in bump and flavor. I'm going to get the picture. Boom. We got to download it first. Once we download it, I'm just going to drag and drop it. Boom. Now I'm going to hit done. You're going to get this warning, and that's okay because it doesn't have sequences that are going along with it. So we're going to save it on our desktop, save as. Backyard Jams. It's going to export. On the export, we're going to, when it's done, we're going to close our builder down, our expansion builder, and then we're going to open our MPC2 software. When we open our MPC2 software, we're going to drag and drop our expansions into software. So now we're in the MPC2 software. I'm going to expand the window some, and then I'm going to drag and drop. So I'm going to drop it on the grid. We're going to close this. Go get our expansion. See, if you drop it there, it's not going to work. You got to drop it on the grid. I drop it on the grid. Boom, it pops up. We say import. It imports. We drag our other expansion. Boom, we'll get this window, says import. Now that we have it imported, what we need to do is it'll look grayed out. So what we need to do is close the MPC software, make sure we verify and we can see that the expansion is there. Reopen our MPC2 software, and when the expansions load, your expansion will be there. Now, once you have your expansion, if you're in controller mode, you can play the drums. So let's go ahead and drop that over there so you can see how this works. I'm going to find the expansion. I'm going to drop it. I'm going to load a drum kit, and from there we're going to play around with it. I'll put my MPC in controller mode, and you can see that we've built our first expansions. I built a bunch of expansions, but for you, this will be how you build your first expansions. What you would do after that, which I'm not going to do, is you would go to File, Export, and export it to whatever the hard drive or SD of your MPC is, and that's how you can export it with the pictures. Hopefully this helps you out. Hopefully you can see how this works. Now we select the kit. Now you can see we have one of our kits from our expansion in there, and if I was to add my MPC, you could hear me play the actual beats. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. This is how you can make your own expansions with the MPC expansion builder and kit maker, and make sure it has the pictures and everything you like. Have a good one.